If you're searching for the best compiler design notes PDF for AKTU B.Tech 3rd year, this all-in-one study material is exactly what you need. It includes premium handwritten notes, previous year question papers, and important unit-wise questions, all prepared according to the latest AKTU syllabus. The notes cover every major topic, including lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, runtime environment, code generation, symbol tables, and error handling, making complex concepts easy to understand. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal assessments, or back paper exams, these exam-oriented notes will help you revise quickly, understand important concepts, and improve your scores. You can download the complete compiler design handwritten notes PDF with previous year question papers from the link given in the description below. Start your preparation today and achieve better results in your exams.